Okay, we are on week 22 of 24. I cannot believe it. The first pure paper is this week. And actually, I'm doing one from a 2024 paper, paper 2, with some vectors stuff. Mostly because I couldn't find some good vectors questions elsewhere, but it will still be good to have a look over this as well. So it says here that figure 2 shows a sketch of the straight line L. The line passes through the points A and B. Relative to a fixed origin O, the position of A is 2 minus 3, 5, and B is 5, 6, 8. Find AB. Well, what we need to know for this first part, when you're looking for the vector AB, I hope you've memorized this, you just do the second letter's position vector minus the first letter's position vector. And I usually do this in terms of column vectors. So the B1 is 5, 6, 8, and the A1 is 2 minus 3, 5. So we put these back together. 5 minus 2 is 3, 6 minus 3 is 9, and 8 minus 5 is 3 that we've got here. Now they would accept it in this column vector form, but they've done everything in I and j and k, so I'll probably just write this as 3i plus 9j plus 3k for this part. And then it says, given that a point P lies on this line L such that the distance between A and P is 2 times the distance between B and P, find the possible position vectors of P. And when I did the exams in 2024, I did like a long further maths method for this. And then towards the end of the exam, I suddenly realized there was a much quicker way of doing it, which I'm going to show you here. Okay, so we're trying to think, where could P be so that the distance between A and P is double the distance between B and P? One of the places would be here, because the distance between A and P is double the distance between B and P. Or the other place I could put it could be over here, because the distance between A and P is double the distance between B and P. So we've got those two different scenarios. Now for the blue scenario, we can just see that this has split it up into a ratio of 2 to 1. In other words, we are traveling 2/3 of the way along the line AB. Okay, so 2/3 of the way along the line AB. So to find a possible position vector of P that we've got here, which I'll do P and underlined, we're going to start off at the A position, which is here, and we're going to add on 2/3 of the vector AB. And we will add on 2/3 of the vector AB. So A was the 2 minus 3 and 5. And we're then going to add on 2/3 of the AB vector, which we've just worked out, which was 3, 9, 3. So this bit looks kind of messy over here. Let me just write that minus 3 down here. So this will be a 2, and 2/3 of 3 is 2. We then have a minus 3. 2/3 of 9 is 6. And 5 plus 2/3 of 3, which is 2. So we have 4, 3, 7. And again, I'm happy with it in column vector, but I'm going to write it as 4i plus 3j plus 7k. And then the other way that we could get to it is we could start off at position A that we have over here. And we actually now want to add on, if we think about that this is double this one, or double of this one as well, because they must be the same as each other, start off at A and add on 2 lots of AB to get to that point. So I'm going to do this one in red so that it's the same color. So we're starting off at A, and we are adding on 2 lots of the vector AB. So there's my A, there's my 2 lots of the AB, which is like this. So this will be a 2 plus 6, a minus 3 plus 18, and a 5 plus 6. So that's going to be an 8, a 15, and an 11, 8i, 15j, and 11k. I think it would be accepted in these forms. So we do have the 3, 9, 3, and we have the 8, 15, 11, and the 4, 3, 7. 4, 3, 7, 8, 15, 11 for this. And it probably says in the notes that it would accept it in the different column vectors as well that we have for this question. So this is the one that you're going to try for next week. And I'm hoping this won't have already come up in the first pure paper, but we have this question here, which is stuff to do with harmonic identities for this first part. And then this diagram gets used to answer this part of the question. So you've got this, followed by all of this. So a much longer question and quite of geometric stuff. I think people would probably find that question a bit stressful looking. Anyway, good luck with all your revision, and I will see you hopefully in a live stream or another video sometime soon.